Nyinga en George Bati. Jagoro mongirore migao mar somo Dr. Belio Kipsang kanyakla kod jokanyo mag komiti mar od bura mamalo mochung'ne weche mag somo olimo kar penj mar KNEC. Limbeno getemo mar rango chenro mag nono kendo chwalo duoko penj kaluwore kod ng'ur manobedo ewi penj mar KCPE matimore kinde manono penj mar grade mar 6 kata KPSEA nyaka gie sani dhi nyime.
This morning, and we requested our colleagues at the Ministry of ICT and Digital Economy to check for us what could have happened. And one of the things that they suggested, and we had a meeting this morning, is that going into the future, and even this year it was available, because it is an option for you to go to the SMS. We don't require you to go to the SMS. It is an option. If you want that convenience of getting your results fast, you can be able to check it in the SMS service. But the same results are available in the school portal. And in the school portal, it is free, because that is our service that we provide in the school portal. So if you use the school portal, nobody will charge you.